I installed this hitch on this Toyota Highlander all by myself. It's not a one-man job, but I'm gonna put a link in the description below as to how I did it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I installed the wire harness. I chose this method instead of running the wire under the car, so I can neatly store the wire harness inside that storage area. This is the Curt wire harness. It comes with all the accessories needed to do the installation. Those are some tie straps. It came with all the fuse needed, as well as the instruction manual. So first, I'm going to remove these covers. Then remove all these clips. Store these clips in a safe place. Then I'm going to remove this storage area on the driver's side using a pry tool to get it out from the clip. There are a lot of garbage under here, you'll see. Now I'm going to use the 10mm socket to remove that one 10mm bolt. Store it in a safe place. Now you can remove this storage area. It's held in by some clips. Just gently pull it out. It's heavy because I have a lot of things stored in here. So inside there's a lot of trash that need to get out. So I'm going to do a quick clean before I install the harness. So the connectors will be right to the edge of the trunk on the side facing the door. So simply make the connections. You can't go wrong here. There are two connections that need to be made, as well as finding a proper ground for the ground wire. So right there, I'm installing the fuse provided, and I'm going to ground right there on that 10mm nut, but I first need to check if I can get a solid ground right there. So I use a multimeter to test for continuity. So just put the multimeter in ground mode. On this specific multimeter, it makes a beep when you have proper ground. The stronger the beep, the stronger the ground. So I'm just testing around to see if this is a proper ground, and it is, because I test it where I am sure there is proper ground, and it does have proper ground. As you can hear the solid beep right there. So now I'm just going to remove the 10mm nut and ground the wire right there. I'm just gonna use the impact driver to get it snugged, not too tight. You just try to tie these wires as neatly as you can. Then you want to trim all the excess straps. to the right there's a hole that you can run the wire through, but I'm not choosing that route. I want the wiring to remain inside the car, so I'm not going to use that method. So if you're going to keep the wire inside the car, there's a nice little groove right there that the wire can come through without being pinched. So I place the wire right there, then reinstall the storage bin. We just need to align all the clips and then push them in place. Now we need to install that 10mm nut. Then reinstall its storage bin on the driver's side. And now I'm doing a test to see if it fit. And as you can see right there, it fits comfortably without being pinched. And also the door closed easily without the wire being pinched. Now the wire is being braced by a rubber seal. Then I use a rubber band to neatly hold the wires together, and as you can see, it's stored pretty easily. So I rather this method instead of having the wire run under the car. We install the covers, and remember to also reinstall the clips. So I didn't want to have a wire run under the car and install right there. So now the final thing to do is to install the towing fuse. The towing fuse go right there. If you look at the diagram here, you'll see a section for towing with a 30 amp fuse. I guess the original Toyota towing kit needs a 30 amps fuse. However, the Curt kit requires a 10 amp fuse. So I install it right there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I would really like your support with a like and subscription.